What up, FertKing followers? How are you? It is the Pittsburgh FertKing out here, and this is another day in the life. Never a dull moment here in Pittsburgh. It snowed, as you can see, and I think it's beautiful. Very little opportunities in spring to be able to see things like this.
Change I wanna see, live for the moment and die free. Lyrical premeditation, be comforted by the
I am Gary Vaynerchuk and Gary Vee.
premeditation, listen, become intrigued. It's ain't for just me, it's for everybody that believes. Lyrical premeditation. Lyrical premeditation. Thinking the ways to rule the world one word at a time. Inserting a rhyme into my version of crime. Vibrations like I'm alerting to death. For certain it's gonna be worth it, not perfect, live with regrets. I never claimed to be anything I never was. Like I never was on drugs or sold a dub. Like I never was in a club with 20 bitches. That shit don't hold a candle to what I got with my missus. We in the business of getting what we
guys know, I would say there's two types of methods to shoveling. You can either do the swing method, which is like this, a lot of passes, but you can get a lot done really fast, or you can do the pass method, which is like this. Gotta work, because that can get pretty heavy, and then you gotta dump it off, which could hurt your back. So what up, guys? Some people would say this is a terrible day, but I say this is a beautiful day. It is extremely beautiful out here, right, Marshall? That's right. It all depends on your perspective. What's up, guys? How are you? Tip of the day: when plowing and you're not sure where the edge of the driveway is in relative to the grass starting, just I would take make a little line all the way up, just so whenever this stuff goes to melt in a few days and then you go to fertilize it, it's not all torn up from your harsh plowing and those big tires from your plow truck. Tip of the day, guys, be careful what you're doing. Later.
Better than we thought we ever could. We strive to be the best, and we turned out pretty good. Been through the hood, been to mansions as well. It don't matter where I be, they say I'm handsome as hell. Can't you just tell I'm dancing in a fancy hotel? We came a long way from on my hands and knees in the cell. I need you to know this ain't for the weak, it's for the lion heart. You can't deny my art. This shit's designed for it. Lyrical premeditation.
Philip the FertKing on my 15th hour out here in the snow in Pittsburgh, killing it, trying to end the day with a great message of positivity, and it's been a great day. It honestly has. I have good news. I'm built for this. this stuff out here, so I'm able to work a 15-hour shift and still kick it, and that's thanks to God and just being careful of what I'm doing all the time and taking an extra minute and just taking care of my body. It's very important. So I think it's almost done. Get a boss a call. Let's see. Peace.